Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. Today in this video I'll be opening some battle cats rare cat capsules, so let's go. Oh, but first I'm gonna check out my Gamodo first before we go check him out. It's only level 1. Alright, just hurry up. Okay, well, that's good to know. Then we're gonna open up one capsule. Okay. I don't care what it is, cause it's already. Oh, and by the way, happy Chinese New Year to all my Chinese fans out there. Anyway, so now we're gonna open it. Yeah, it's Uberfest. Get the limited edition Uber Miko. Doesn't matter. Let's just open it. Oh, Uber super rare. We got an Uber super rare. Whoa. My wow. Let's try another one. It's gonna be Orchard Cat. Man, I really don't like Orchard Cat. I'm just gonna exchange him for XP. Yeah, get out my way. Wow, we got an Uber super rare. Look at that guy. Wow, what's the expansion for XP? No, of course not. Will you use it? We got an Uber super rare. Kamukara. Fancy for XP. No, of course not. I want to use it. Yes. Guys, we got two Uber super rare. This is awesome. Look at that. Kamukara. This is awesome. We got another Uber super rare. Wow. I'm getting rich now. Got Uber rare. There we go. Look at that guy. It's like a dragon. His strongest red enemies. Unit has a set chance. I'm just gonna read that. Indicated. Oh, this does an area attack. So if I go check for area attack, both of them. Yeah. Let's go check out how much it costs in chapter 1. Oh, it's gonna be harder than I thought. 4,100. Impossible to get that. So I have to upgrade my Sanada Yukimura first before winning my Kamukira. So anyway, YouTube, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.